Hi everyone, today I will continue to talk about the polynomials, and today's topic is the multiplication of polynomials. And try to remember that the distributive property is the important principle behind multiplying polynomials and leads directly to the mechanical rule, that is as follows. We should keep it in mind that to multiply two polynomials, we should multiply each term of the first one by each term of the second one, and then we also need to add the like terms. So let me show you some examples here. The example is to multiply the x minus 3 parentheses by x squared minus 2x plus 3. There are two methods to calculate this multiplication. The method 1 is called horizontal arrangement. So write down these two polynomials first, and then according to the mechanics of multiplying polynomials, we should multiply each term of the first one here by each term of the second one. X multiplied by parentheses x squared minus 2x plus 3, then minus 3 times parentheses x squared minus 2x plus 3. From this to this, we should use distributive property from right to left, that is from x to negative 3. Then we do it separately to use the distributive property from left to right. Here we have x times x squared minus x times parentheses 2x, then plus x times 3. Here we have minus 3 times x squared. Here, since we have two negative minus sign here, and it leads to the plus sign, that is 3 times parentheses 2x, then minus 3 times 3. So the following steps is that equals to x cubed minus 2 times x squared plus 3x, then minus 3 squared plus 6x minus 9. Here we find from the highest degree of term, that is equal to 3. We should write x cubed first. Then comes up with the degree of term, that is 2 here. We have negative 2 squared and negative 3 squared. So in together we have negative 5 times x squared. Then comes up with the degree of term, that is 1. So we have 3 plus 6, that is 9x. And the last one is minus 9. And also we can calculate this multiplication by the second method, which is called vertical arrangement. Now we will write the first polynomials here, x squared minus 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then we'll draw a line here. Notice that we will start multiplying from left first. That is, start from by x. Then we should move on to multiply by negative 3. And then line up the like terms and add. Here, let's do this multiplication. Starting from x, we can have x squared times x minus 2x times x plus 3 times x. Then we have moved to the negative 3 as x squared times minus negative 3 and plus 2 squared times 3. Since we have two minus here, then we can make it a plus sign here. Then comes up with minus 3 times 3. Then we can get a new line here, which is x cubed minus 2 times x squared plus 3x. And the second line is negative 3 times x squared plus 6x, then minus 9. In this way, we can calculate in different columns here separately. The first one is x cubed And the second one is negative 2 square minus negative 3 square equals to negative 5 square. And here, positive 3x plus positive 6x, that is equal to 9x. And then finally comes up with a single negative 9. So this is what the multiplication of the polynomials here. And we should remember there are two methods. The first one is horizontal arrangement, and the second one is the vertical arrangement. Both these two methods can lead to the same consequence, as you see here.